Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by checking what actually hurts and why. Note whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach. Once done, select a medium-firm mattress or add a 1-2 topper to reduce sagging so your spine stays neutral. Make sure your pillow height matches your position. 4-6 for side sleepers, 2-3 for back. Then place a pillow between knees or under knees immediately. This shifts hip rotation and begins retraining muscle memory for a healthier posture. Once you've set pillows and mattress support, practice shifting your position in short sessions. 10-15 minutes before bed for a week to reinforce the new alignment. Use physical anchors like a body pillow along your torso or a rolled towel at your lower back to prevent rolling. Make sure you secure them where they feel natural. Meanwhile, add 5-10 minutes of core and hip mobility each night to reduce compensatory tension. Over time, this combination trains muscles and makes the improved sleep position your default. You finish by testing the setup for 2 weeks and tracking sleep quality plus morning pain on a 0-10 scale, then make small tweaks such as changing pillow thickness by 0.5-1 or shifting knee support slightly. If discomfort reduces, keep reinforcing with nightly practice. If pain persists or worsens, make a troubleshooting step. Keep a sleep journal for 7 days and consult a physiotherapist within 4 weeks so they can assess alignment. Refer targeted exercises or rule out underlying issues. Don't ignore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.